Hello viewers, welcome to the channel Learning Support. I am Priya here. Today's topic is divisibility test. It means if we are given a number, how can we make sure or ensure that it is completely divisible by any of the numbers from 2 to 12. There are different rules for it. We will check rules for each of the numbers. See, for a number to be divisible by 2, if the number in units place is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, or it is even number, it will be divisible by 2. For checking divisibility by 3, first we have to add all the digits. That is, we have to find sum of all the digits. If the answer we get is divisible by 3, then the given number is divisible by 3. For checking divisibility by 4, if the number has last two digits of the number are divisible by 4, then the whole number will be divisible by 4. For checking divisibility by 5, if the number in units place is 0 or 5, it will be divisible by 4. For checking divisibility by 6, that is very simple. If the number is divisible by both 2 and 3, then it will be divisible by 6. For checking divisibility by 7, subtract double the units place number from remaining digits. Resulting number, if it is divisible by 7, then the number is divisible by 7. For checking divisibility by 8, if last 3 digits of the given number are divisible by 8, then the number is divisible by 8. For checking divisibility by 9, sum of all digits, we have like 3, we have to do sum of all digits. We add all the digits and check whether the resulting number is divisible by 9, then the number will be divisible by 9. For checking divisibility by 10, if the number has 0 in units place, it is divisible by 10. For checking divisibility by 11, we have to subtract odd place digits and even place digits. That is, we have to find the difference of odd place digits and even place digits. If the difference is divisible by 11, then the number is divisible by 11. Or if it comes 0 also, the difference comes 0, then also it will be divisible by 11. 12. If the number is divisible by 3 and 4, by 3 and by 4, then the number is divisible by 4. Now let's do some examples. We have to check whether number 305 is divisible by 2. It is not divisible by 2. Why? Because it has 5, which is not an even number in units place. So it is not divisible by 2. 964 is divisible by 2 because units place even number is there. 4 is even number, so it is divisible by 2. Next number 312, we have to check whether it can be divided by 3. We have to do sum of all digits. 3 plus 1 plus 2 equals to 6, which is divisible by 3. Therefore 312 is divisible by 3. 752, we are checking whether it can be divided by 3. Sum of digits is 7 plus 5 plus 2, which is equal to 14. So this is not divisible by 3. So 752 is not divisible by 3. For checking whether 604 can be divided by 4, last two digits we have to look at. Last two digits are 04. Therefore it can be divided by 4, which is divisible by 4. So this number 604 can be divided by 4. For checking 614 whether it can be divided by 4, last two digits are 14. Therefore 14 does not come in 4's table, so it is not divisible by 4. We have to check whether 85 is divisible by 5. It has 5 in units place, so it is divisible by 5. 58, it has 8 in units place. For the number to be divisible by 5, it should have 0 or 5 in units place. Therefore, it is not divisible by 5. Number 72, we have to check whether it is divisible by 6. For number to be divisible by 6, it should be divisible by 2 and 3 both. Therefore, it has 2 in units place, which is even number, so it is divisible by 2. 7 plus 2 is 9, so it is divisible by 3. So this number is divisible by 2 and 3, therefore it is divisible by 6. 106, it has 6 in units place, so it is divisible by 2. But sum of digits is 1 plus 0 plus 6 equals to 7. Therefore, this number is not divisible by 3. It is divisible by 2 but not by 3. Therefore, it is not divisible by 6. For a number to be divisible by 6, it has to be divisible by both 2 and 3. We have to check whether this number 2064 is divisible by 8. Last 3 digits of the number equals to 064, which is divisible by 8. Therefore, number 2064 is divisible by 8. 2034, last 3 digits equals to 034, which is not divisible by 8. Therefore, it is not divisible by, the number 2034 is also not divisible by 8. Now we will check whether number 905 is divisible by 9. We have to find sum of digits. 9 plus 0 plus 5 equals to 14. 14 is not divisible by 9, therefore number 905 is not divisible by 9. 837, sum of digits is equals to 8 plus 3 plus 7 equals to 18, which is divisible by 9. Therefore, number 837 is divisible by 9. Checking divisibility by 10. Number 85. No 0 in units place. It does not have 0 here, so it is not divisible by 10. 990 has 0 in units place, therefore it is divisible by 10. Let us do some more examples. Number 88092. We have to see whether it is divisible by 2. For being divisible by 2, it has to have even number digit in units place or 0. It has, so it is divisible by 2. For divisibility of 3, we'll add all the numbers. 8 plus 8 is 16, 16 plus 0 is 16, 16 plus 9 25, 25 plus 2 27, which is divisible by 3. So therefore this number is divisible by 3. For divisibility of 4, 92, to last 2 digits, they are divisible by 4. Therefore this number is divisible by 4. For divisibility by 5, whether this number is divisible, it should have 0 or 5 in units place. It does not have, so it is not divisible by 5. For checking divisibility by 6, if the number is divisible by 2 and 3, then it is divisible by 6. For checking divisibility of 7 and 11, we will do it separately. I'll explain it separately. Now 8. For 8, last 3 digits have to be divisible by 8. 092 is not divisible by 8, therefore this number is not divisible by 8. For checking 9, whether this number is divisible, it can be divided by 9. Sum of digits of the number 88092 is 27, which is divisible by 9. Therefore, number is divisible by 9. For being divisible by 10, it should have 0 in units place. It does not have, so it is not divisible by 10. For being divisible by 12, the number has to be divisible by both 3 and 4. Therefore, this number is divisible by, it is divisible by 3 and 4, therefore it is divisible, this number is divisible by 12. We'll see whether this number 750 is divisible by 2. It has 0 in units place, therefore it is divisible by 2. Sum of digits 7 plus 5 plus 0 is 12, which is divisible by 3, therefore number is divisible by 3. For being divisible by 4, last 2 digits should be divisible by 4. 50 is not divisible by 4, therefore this number 750 is not divisible by 4. For being divisible by 5, it should have 5 or 0 in units place. It has, therefore this is divisible by 5. For checking divisibility of 6, it has to be divisible by both 2 and 3, which it is, therefore it is divisible by 6. 8, we have to check whether these all 3 digits are divisible by 8, which it is not, therefore it is not divisible by 8. For 9, we have to find sum of digits. 7 plus 5 plus 0 is 12, which is not divisible by 9, therefore this number 750 cannot be divided by 9. For 10, it should have 0 in units place, which it has, therefore this number can be divided by 10. For 12, it has to be divisible by both 3 and 4, which it is not, therefore this number is not divisible by 12. Now we'll see divisibility by 7. First we have this number 665. We have to double the digit in units place. 5 into 2 equals to 10, and that we have to subtract from remaining part of the number, remaining digits. 66 minus 10 equals to 56. Now 56 is divisible by 7, therefore number 665 is divisible by 7. Number 161. Double the units place digit and subtract from remaining digits. We'll double it. 1 into 2 is 2. We'll subtract from remaining digits. We get 14, which is divisible by 7. Therefore 161 is divisible by 7. 192. Double the units place digit. 2 into 2, 4. We'll subtract it from remaining digits. 19 minus 4 equals to 15, which is not divisible by 7. Therefore, it is number 192 is not divisible by 7. Now, we'll look at the examples of divisibility by 11. In this, we have to find difference between sum of odd place digits and even place digits. If the difference is 0, 11, 22, 33, etc., that means it is 0 or multiple of 11, then the number will be divisible by 11. Let us look at this number 2343. We have to add odd placed digits. 3 plus 3 equals to 6. And even placed digits. 2 plus 4, 6. Then we have to find the difference of these. 6 minus 6, 0. If the difference of these odd placed and even placed digits is 0 or multiple of 11, number is divisible by 11. So this number, we have difference 0, therefore number 2343 is divisible by 11. Next number 5907. Sum of odd placed digits 7 plus 9, 16. 7 plus 9, 16. Even placed digits 0 and 5, 5. Difference between these two is 11, which is multiple of 11. Therefore, number is divisible by 11. Now look at this number 1354. Odd placed digits 3 and 4. Sum is 7. Even placed digits 1 and 5 sum is 6, and difference between these two is 1. 1 is not multiple of 11, therefore this number 1354 is not divisible by 11. Thank you all. That's all. I hope it was useful to you all. Thank you.